you see. Okay, can see the textbook? Hello?
Can
Okay. So we repeat before we continue our today lesson. Okay, maybe I can call name. Okay, for this girl that didn't try yet, okay, I read out the name. So anyone, okay? First come, first serve. Okay, who is the first one? Answer my question, then I give you mark. Okay, Shalene, Shuda, I don't know whether they are here. Siti Farah, I saw her. Okay, Sophia, Sonia Sri, and then Zingzi. Okay, let's go. Okay, previous lesson, this is what we learned. Okay, we have multiplication rules. Okay, after multiplication rules, okay, we have this. Okay, the number of permutation of n objects and of n objects is given by n factorial. Okay, so you want to arrange them. Okay, so you just follow this formula. Okay, n factorial. Okay, now my question is, okay, if okay, the permutation of n objects is in a circle. Okay, so what formula should I use? Okay, you can just on the mic, okay, and then tell me the answer. Okay, that is lower. Okay, who is the first one answer it? Then I give you the 1 mark. Come on. Yeah, Siti Farah.
n-1 factorial.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, it's n-1, okay, in bracket and then factorial. Okay, next questions. Okay, still the same thing. Okay, the arrangement of the n object is in circle, but now, okay, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction is not important. It's the same. So what formula? Like example, you arrange in for blessers, necklace, or that. Okay, what is the formula? Okay, Zingzi answered already. So n-1 in bracket factorial divide by 2. Okay, very good. So this is basically these are 3 formula we have learned for the previous lesson. Okay, I want you to revise this because afterward you still have a few formulas to go. Okay, so before you go before today lesson we learned that a few more formula. It's better for you to recall back what you have learned for the previous lesson. Okay, so we go back to the textbook. Okay. So you write the index for today, permutation of n different object taken out object each time. Okay, index for today. Okay, if you want to make a short form of this, you don't want to write this, then you can just write, NPR. NPR, the meaning is this. Okay, permutation of n different object means n different object is given, but you only take R objects at each time. Okay, today is what? 20th. Okay, so we still use the same book. Okay, we look at this example. Okay, this one you have learned previously. Okay, tua. Okay, you arrange these 4 alphabet. Okay, given 4 alphabet, you arrange these 4 alphabet. So this is NPN. Okay, or over this case is 4 alphabet, so it's 4P4, or same as the 4 factorial. Okay, now, okay, you have a bertua. Okay, but this bertua, okay, altogether is 7 alphabet. Okay, 7 alphabet. But we only want to choose 4. Okay, so if using this method, the box method, okay, so the first letter, okay, because you start with 7 different alphabets, okay, so the first box, okay, you got 7 choices to choose from. Okay, after you put in 1 letter in the first box already, then you left 6 choices. Okay, and then continue 5 choices and the 4 choices. Okay, so by multiplication rules, okay, so your answer will be 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. Okay, okay, we go one by one. Okay, in the first box, there are 7 ways to fill out the letter. Then the second box has 6 ways, the third box has 5 ways, and the fourth box has 4 ways. Okay, by using multiplication rules, the number of possible ways is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4, okay, which is 840. Okay, the number of a permutation of 7 different objects taken 4 objects each time can be represented by the notation 7p4. Okay, so just now, if n object given, okay, you taken r object at each one time. Okay, so this is NPR. Okay, so this is 7 letter. You only want to take 4 letters, so it's 7P4. Okay, 7P4, if follow the definitions, okay, is this way. Okay, 7 factorial, again, and then 7 minus 4, 3 factorial. Okay, so if you want to use calculator, you can just one shot use calculator and get the 840. Okay, wait for a while. I show you how to use the calculator. Okay, you can direct 7P4. You press 7 here. Press 7 here. Okay, P is here. Okay, so you shift times. Okay, and then 4. Okay, and then answer. Okay, 840. Okay, so you can direct get the answer from the calculator. Okay, you don't have to do all this working. This one no need. Okay, this one also even no need. But you have to understand and you have to know the definition of the MPR. Okay, because sometimes they will give you in unknown, not number. Then you cannot use calculator already. Okay, so this one you can copy in your notes. Okay, the number of permutation of n object taken out each time is given by NPR. Okay, and then must follow this. The R must be smaller than n or equal to n. Can be equal to n. Okay, cannot bigger than n. Okay. Okay, now we look at example 6. Okay, without using a calculator, find the value of a 6P4. This one they say without using a calculator. Therefore, you got to use a formula. Okay, so 6P4 is 6 factorial and then over 6 minus 4. Okay, the n minus r here, the n minus r. Okay, so it's 2 factorial. Okay, so this one you can do in this way. You still remember that day. Okay, 6 factorial, you can write out 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, and then last 2 factorial, never mind lah. You can write 2 factorial and then over the 2 factorial. Okay, cut. Okay, then these 4 number you multiply, you get 360. Okay, we look at okay, 8 committee members from a society are nominated to contest for the post of president, vice president, and secretary. Okay, how many ways can these 3 posts be filled? Okay, so you see 1, 2, 3, 3 posts. Okay, then here got 8 members. So 8, you want to arrange them in these 3 posts. Okay, so it's 8P3. Okay, 8P3. And then you use a calculator, you get 336. Okay, okay, now we see this. Okay, this one. Okay, I will show you the A. You do the B and the C as a homework. Okay. Yeah, sure, sure. Okay, determine the following value of n. Okay, sorry. Then I will cut. Okay, continue. Okay, so NP2. Okay, we have followed this formula, NP2. So n factorial. Okay, n minus 2 factorial. Okay, then equals to 20. Okay, so you still remember previously, okay, how we do this kind of questions. Okay, so you list out n factorial means n times n minus 1, okay, times follower n minus 2. Okay, when the denominator you have n minus 2, so here you stop n minus 2 factorial. Okay, then n minus 2 factorial, that equals to 20. Therefore, here and here you can cut. Okay, so next you will get n minus 1 equals to 20. Okay, so for n, okay, so expand, you will get a quadratic. Okay, 20 move to this side, minus 20. Okay, factorize. Okay, 20, I think 5 and 4. Okay, the difference is 1. So negative 1, so negative to the bigger number, positive to the smaller number. Okay, negative 5 plus 4, negative 1, correct. So n equals to negative 4, and then n is equal to 5. Okay, okay, n cannot be negative because n is the number of object. Okay, so you got to reject the negative value, and therefore n is 5. Okay, so B and C, I leave it to you. Okay, not easy. Okay, you remind me tomorrow. Okay, we have a class, right? So you remind me to discuss B and C. Okay, I want to know your answer. Okay, I don't know whether the full solution there they got answer or not. I don't think the at the back got answer lah. Okay, so we will discuss B and C tomorrow. Okay. Okay, next. So n object taken out at one time. Okay, so continue. Okay, same thing. Okay, after they arrange in the line, then they arrange in the circle. Okay, so you just do the same. Okay, you remember when you want to arrange them into a circle, you need to oh, this is different. Okay, look at this formula. Okay, so you need to use the NPR. After that, divide by the R. Okay, so this one you got to remember lah. Okay, so you want to see the explanation why is divided by 4, the explanation is here. Okay, so because 4 of the arrangements are identical. Okay, if here is 4, okay, 4 of the arrangement are identical, therefore divide by 4. Okay, so if this is R, so you go to divide by R. Okay, so remember, if you have n different object, taken R object each time and arrange in circle. So the NPR, remember to divide by R. Okay, divide by R. Okay, so this one you are copy as a notes. Okay, then how about this? This one also. Okay, arrange in a circle. Okay, clockwise and anti-clockwise are the same. Okay, means the one you make it the bracelets or the necklace. Okay, so NPR is the same. Okay, divide by R is the same, and then one more is divide by 2. Okay, because the previously also same, you know, the n minus 1 and then in bracket factorial also divide by 2. Okay, because clockwise, anti-clockwise are the same, so divide by 2. Okay, so this one you have to remember. You got some more. Okay, example 8. Okay, this is the NPR over 2R. Okay, the one arrange braces. Okay, so the clockwise and anti-clockwise the same. Okay, so 12 bit of a different color. Okay, so realize that the braces require only 8 bits. Okay, so 12 you choose you need 8. Okay, so 8 object taken from the 12 object. So it's a 12P8 over 2 times the R. R here is 8. Okay, so 2 times 8 at the denominator. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so any questions before I continue? I got some more formula, so many formula. You know, last time the old syllabus only one formula, n factorial, finish. No more already. Don't have arrange in circle lah, and then after that,
so complicated our syllabus.
No, don't have the arrange in circle. Don't have the apa tu? What clockwise, anti-clockwise the same. But the n taken out object that one got. Only one formula, NPR, finish already. Okay, ada soalan tak?
No, don't have.
Okay, don't have. Then some more formula. Okay, determine the number of permutation of n object involving identical object. This one also all syllabus don't have. Okay, so now you remember previously we have API. So API. Three alphabet are different. Okay, now we have APA. So APA. The A and the A, we can't differentiate it. Okay, so the A here we say it is an identical object. Okay, so you just follow this formula. Okay, the the expansion, okay, we will just skip here. Okay. Okay. The reason is this, okay, because the if you see here, if here they label it as A1, A2, but actually this A1 and A2 is the same thing. You can't differentiate it. Therefore, if you erase off the 1 and the 2, so you can see this APA and this APA is the same. So this is one method. Okay, and then this and this is the same, so 2 methods, and this is the same, so 3 methods. Okay, so if three alphabet are different, then the number of arrangement is 6. If they are 2 identical alphabet, then it reduce, it become 3 methods. Okay, so so you only have this and this 3 arrangement. Okay, so how your answer can get 3 is this way. Okay, 3 factorial divided by the 2 factorial. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Okay, the number of permutation of n object involving identical object is given by this. Okay, where A, B, and C are the number of identical object of each type. What is the meaning of this? Okay, after we will show this example. Okay. Okay, calculate the number of ways to arrange the letter from the words symbiosis. So now we want to see got how many types of identical object. Okay, let us start with S. S got 1, 2, 3. Therefore, this divide by the 3 factorial. The first 3 factorial is belong to the S because the S got 3 identical objects. Okay, next look at the I. 1, 2, 3. Again, the I got another 3. Therefore, another 3 factorial. This is for the I. Okay, 3 identical objects. Okay, then for M is 1, B is 1, O is 1. Okay, then settle. Okay, so all together got 9 alphabet here. Okay, so 9 factorial. Divide by, okay, S got 3 identical, I got 3 identical. So divide by 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Okay, this is the meaning of the formula. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, we do this even more challenging. Okay, suppose the letter from the words symbiosis is to be arranged starting with the letter S. Okay, how do you determine the number of ways to arrange this letter? How to do these questions? The first letter is S. You arrange here S. So
one
one way.
then times
Mm-hmm.
5.
5? No.
Maximum. I don't know.
Okay, you see you put S, one of the S here already. So the balance got how many more letters?
8.
Okay, so
8.
factorial.
8.
Okay, 8
Then
factorial.
7.
8 factorial. You follow this formula. Follow this formula.
Okay.
Follow this formula.
Then
Okay.
also times 1, is it?
No, you got to divide. Okay. Altogether, the 8 alphabet balance, you still got how many are identical? Got how many identical? The S still got how many identical?
2.
2. So 2 factorial. The I?
3.
3. So 3 factorial. Okay. So this is the answer. So 1 times this 8 factorial over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Okay. So this is the answer for these questions. How so far? Will be more and more difficult. No more formula already. I have finished all the formula. So you remember the circle one, okay, and then you have an identical one. Then you have NPR, okay, on top of the NPR, then the circle one. Problem. So problem, it will turn you around also. Okay, look at this. Okay, 7 objects in the diagram. Okay, so you have 4 circle, 3 triangle. All are different color. So here got no identical. Okay, all are different. Okay, suppose all the objects above object are to be arranged according to a certain condition. This the certain condition that you have to follow. Okay, then the following condition should be followed. Look at the first case. Each circle and triangle must be arranged alternatively. Okay, it means circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. We cannot start with a triangle, okay, because a circle is more than triangle. Okay? If we start with a triangle, then at the back, then the circle have to be together. Okay, it will not be alternate. Okay, so how to do these questions? Okay, you see, okay, same thing. You put a box for it. You put a box for it. The box, I don't draw box, lazy, I draw a line, Okay, so you see the circle. Okay, the first circle, how many ways can you fill out this circle? Okay, so 4 circle, so 4 choices. Okay, then this circle, after you put, you choose one circle, put in the first place already. Okay, so you left 3 choices. 2 choices, and then 1 choice. Okay, same as triangle. Okay, so first triangle, how many choices? 3 choices. After you put in 1 triangle already, then left 2 choices, and then 1 choice. Okay, so you times all up. Multiplication law, multiplication rule, sorry. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, but you see here, okay, they analyze in this way, for the circle, so 4 factorial. For the triangle, 3 factorial. Actually same thing. You see circle, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is the 4 factorial. Triangle, 3 times 2 times 1. This is the 3 factorial. Okay, and then 4 factorial times 3 factorial, you get 144. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, look at our second situations. Okay, now they want all the circles together. Okay, so you type, like example, you type all the circle together. Okay, so you see, this one you have to assume like it's one object now. Okay, always have this kind of question one, so you got to remember the idea. Okay, so when something tied together, you got to assume that one is one object. Okay, so you see one circle, okay, one triangle as one object. This is the second object, third object, and the fourth object. So you arrange these 4 things. So you have a 4 factorial. Okay. You see, there are 4 factorial, which is 24 ways to arrange a group of circle, and 3 triangle. Okay, they assume this a group of circle as one object. Therefore, it's 4 factorial. Okay, after that, okay, in this group, among these 4 circle, they can arrange again. This is an ideal for this kind of questions. Okay, so among the group itself, that 4 circle when they arrange, okay, again is 4 factorial. Okay, so there are 4 factorial, 24 ways to arrange among the group of circle. Therefore, final answer is 4 factorial times 4 factorial. Okay, 576. Okay, not okay. Someone have to stop me. Then I will explain again. Yeah. If you just keep quiet, then I will go through and go through and go through. Okay, this is the third conditions. Okay, if circle and triangle have to arrange in their respective group. Okay, so how you see? Okay, so one group, 2 groups. Okay, so I will start with this 2 factorial, like just now. Okay, then among the group of the circle, 4 of this circle, you can arrange among them, 4 factorial. Okay, for the triangle, the same thing. Among this group of the triangle, you can arrange among them, 3 factorial. Okay, so the answer is 288. Same, 3 factorial times 4 factorial is here. Okay, 144. After that, plus another 144 because here is times 2. Okay, same thing. So this is about these questions.
Yes.
Yeah.
The above one, right? The 3 triangle is considered as one lah.
The third example, is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
The 4 circle, because they want the circle together. They want the triangle or the triangle together. Okay, so the circle is one group, triangle as another group. So we consider here is one object, 2 objects. Therefore, is 2 factorial.
Okay. Understand.
Okay, so we continue. Look at example 10. All this is with the conditions on. Okay, find the number of a way to form a 4-digit odd number. Okay, the condition here is odd number. Okay, 4 digit. From the digits 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. So altogether, how many? 7 objects. Okay, without repeating. This one also very important. We repeating or without repeating, you got to read carefully the questions. Okay, means you can't repeat. If you have used that digit, then you cannot repeat the number again. Okay, any of the digit. Okay, so we start with the 4 box because it's 4 digit. Okay, then odd number. Okay, if this 4-digit number is odd or even, is depend on last number only. Okay, the number in front or are not important. Whatever number you want to put also doesn't matter. Okay, only the last number only. Okay, example, 1 3 4 6. Okay, last number only. If this is even, then the 1 3 4 6 is even. If this is odd, then 1 3 4 6 is odd. Okay, so 1 7 2 5. Last number only, last digit only will play the important role. Okay, to determine the whole number is odd or even. Okay, so now we see. Okay, this one, how many way we can put in? Okay, I have to only choose odd digit. Okay, so this one is odd, this one is odd, this one is odd, and then this one is odd. Okay, so how many choices I can put in? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here is 4 way. Okay, so after I put in 1 digit, these 3 don't care already. Okay, so after I put in 1 digit, so 7 left 6. So 6 choose 3. 6 choose 3. Okay, so this is the answer. 6p3 times 4. Finish. Okay, the 4p one is 4 choose 1, same thing. You can just write 4 also, same thing. Okay, 4p1 you press calculator also is 4. Okay, so this is how you get the answer. Okay. Okay, example 11. Okay, find the number of ways to arrange 5 employees A, B, C, D, E from a company at a round table if A and B must be seated together. A and B kawan baik. Okay, so these two must be seated together. Okay, so now we think again. Okay, this is arrange them in a circle. If arrange them in a circle, just now someone has answered me. Okay, beginning of the lesson saying that it should be n minus 1 factorial. Siti Farah answered me, I remember. Okay, so but now the point is the A and the B must sit together. Okay, so you got to assume the A and the B now as a group. Okay, one object only. Okay, so now the 5 become 4 already. Okay, because this one is tied together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now actually you are arranging 4 only, not 5. Okay, so 4 minus 1 factorial. Okay, after that, you have to remember that AB can change to BA. Among these two, they can interchange even though they are still sitting together. Okay, but AB, they can sit in this way BA. Therefore, times 2. Okay, same like just now, you remember the 4 circle, you want them into one group. Then among them, okay, you still can arrange them. So it's a 4 factorial. So here, same thing. Among these two, you still can arrange them. So it's 2 factorial. 2 factorial and the 2 same thing. Okay, so the answer is 6 times 2. Okay, you get 12. Okay, because 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 factorial is 6. Okay, so 6 times 2, the answer is 12. Challenging all the questions. Okay, now we look at example 12. Okay, find the number of possible way to arrange all the letters in the words suasana if the vowel are always together. Okay, vowel is always together. Oh, pening betul. Okay, why this one pening betul is because you involve with identical object. Okay, then they want this condition some more. Okay, but don't worry, we do it step by step. Okay, vowel is the A, E, I, O, U. So I have a U, A, N, as A, N, like A. Okay, so 3A and 1U, okay, as one group are together. Okay, balance is S, N. Okay, S, N. Okay, so now we count and see got how many. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's 4 factorial if I want to arrange these 4. But the problem is among these 4, I can see, they are 2 identical. So I got to divide by 2 factorial. Okay, finish. Okay, but remember, among the group of that one you type together, which is all the vowel, again, same thing. Okay, out of these 4, they can arrange among themselves. So it's 4 factorial again. But they inside this group, there are 1, 2, 3, 3 identical objects. So this 4 factorial got to divide by 3 factorial. Okay, so this is the answer. 48. So far, any questions? Sudah pening liao. Very quiet ah. Actually, this topic is very funny one. No? For those can do, no matter how the question turn, they also can do one. For those cannot do, ayo, simple also they cannot do. Like that, no? This type of topic. Okay, this is the last example already. Okay, again the same thing. Arrange digit. Find the number of ways to form 4 digits number from the digit 2, 3, 5, 7. If the number must be odd and less than 5,000. There are 2 conditions here. Odd and then less than 5,000. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 arrange 4. 4 arrange 4. Okay, so we draw out the 4 boxes. Okay, we draw out the 4 boxes. Now here, okay, you see, they draw out the 4 boxes. Okay, for a number to get odd, just like just now, okay, look at the last digit. Okay, so over the 2, 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 are odd number. Okay, so 3, 5 or 7 can be filled out at the last digit. So to make the these number odd number. Okay, but okay, one more is less than 5,000. Okay, so if you want to control a number less than 5,000, you control at the first digit. Okay, less than 5. Okay, so mean if you cannot put in 5 law. If you put in 5, it followed by 2, 3, 7 or whatever, it shows this number will more than 5,000 already. So cannot put in 5, cannot put in 7. You only can put in 2 or 3. Okay, so this is the condition that you have. Okay, but remember, 3 and the 3, okay, is repeat here. 2, but here no 2. So for this case, you got to divide into 2 cases. Okay, one case when the first one is 2. Second case is when the first one is 3. Okay, why you need to separate into 2 is because if the first one is 2, the last one you still can put in 3, 5, 7. If the first one is 3, the last digit you only can put in 5 or 7. This is the difference. Okay, so let's say if the first digit is 2. Okay, so how many choice? Only one choice. Okay, then last digit you can 1, 2, 3 choices. Okay, after you put in a 2 digit already, out of the 4 you put in 2 digit already, you still have 2 more. Okay, so you put in into the middle digit, so left 2 choices. After that, okay, 1 choice. So this is for the first case. Okay, the number of ways is 1 times 2 times 1 times 3. Okay, for second case, okay, the first digit you only one choice only, put in 3. Okay, after you put in 3, okay, the last digit you cannot put in 3 anymore. So you only left 2 choices, which is 5 or 7. So 2. Okay, same thing. After you put in 2 number, you left 2 digits. Okay, so here is 2 choices. Here is 1 choice. Okay, so this one end up with what? 3 times 2. This is 6. This one end up with what? 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, 6 plus 4. Okay, remember case 1 and case 2 in between plus. Okay, so 6 plus 4, your answer is 10. Okay. Oh. Okay, any question for me? Okay, so your homework is this 4.5. 4 leh? Okay, 4.4. Okay. Okay, for 3. Okay, 3 exercises. Okay, the formative one, don't do yet lah. 4.3. Correct. Okay. Okay, I still have 15 minutes. Come, I want to settle these few girls. Okay, Serene, Shuda, Sophia, Sonia, Sri. Okay, 4 of them start with S. Okay, let me check whether they are here. Ayo. Ayo, Melissa, kasihan. 17 here, 1 girl not here. I can't check, I can't see suddenly. Can someone tell who is not here? Sure, repeat what? Sonia Street. Repeat homework. Which one is your homework? I will ask you a question. Okay, is what? Okay, can ask question. Okay, who is not here? Can you help? Can someone help? Tell me who is not here. 1 girl not here. Why what's happened? Ayo, apa macam? Just check for me that 4 girls. Just now I mentioned Sherlyn, Shuda, Sophia. Is this Sophia? I think Sophia. Okay. Sonia 3 here already. This 3 girl here or not? Shuda here. Sherlyn here. And sorry, Sophia. Someone help me check. Okay, come out already. Serene here. Sophia here. Okay, all these 4 are here. Okay, come. Answer these questions. Look at so exercise 4.4. Okay, look at this. This question easy. Come, we do this together. Determine the number of ways to arrange all the letters differently for each of the foreign words. Okay, corona. One by one, 4 of you. Okay, who is the first one? Okay, Charlene, you prepare for A. Truda, you prepare for B. Must write up the method. I don't want final answer. You just tell me what factorial divide by what factorial, okay? Sophia, you prepare for C. Sonia 3, you prepare for D. Okay, someone type already. No. Okay, look at Serene. Serene are doing for A, corona. So O is repeat. O only repeat. altogether 6 alphabet. So 6 factorial over 2 factorial. Very good. Okay. Next, Sophia doing C. Okay, C is a hypothesis. Okay, so 9 alphabet altogether. Okay, the one repeat is TTII. TTII, I think so. Okay, so double T, double I. So 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Very good, Sophia. Like that, you can answer my question. I feel very happy, you know. Means just now what I teach, you understand, no? You know, like I'm talking to myself only. I don't know whether you understand. I feel very worried. Okay, Sonia, 3-1 very complicated. Oh, okay, let me see. Is this 14 alphabet? What is this? Schistosomiasis. My goodness. Okay, 14 alphabets, correct? Okay, which one is repeated? You're telling me. Okay, S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, divide by 5 factorial. K is not repeat. I got 1, 2, 3. Okay, got 3 factorial. T is not repeat. Okay, O got double O. Okay, so 2 factorial. M is not repeat. A is not repeat. Okay, I think her answer is correct. Okay, so Sonia 3. So one girl. Sudah here or not, Sudah? Everyone waiting for you, no? You have to do B, no? Cepat, no? Okay, come ready. Okay, 7 factorial. Which one repeat? A repeat 1, 2, 3. Okay, the rest M, L, R, I. Okay, very good. I feel very happy there. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, wait for a while. I take attendance.